Hey guys, this is was welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the Boat Airdopes 411, which is a twin wireless earbuds. Now, this product over here comes for 4K to 6K in the market, but Amazon is providing a deal for only 2K. Remember last time when I unboxed the BFF TWS earbuds by Fingers, it was coming for 1.7K on the official site, but I was only providing a deal of 1K over there. So, as the deal of Amazon goes off there, the lightning deal, you can purchase it from the dealer's contact number down here in the description box. So, without any further ado, let me broaden expectations. Okay, so that's the outer covering. Okay, we have a small pamphlet over here, some sign, cool. We have a cable. We have extra ear flags for like extra buds over here. Here's the cable. It's a Type-C cable, charging cable. Here's the product. I'm really excited for 2K. We're getting a charging case also. It's the manual. Okay. Someone else. There's a warranty. You get a 1 year warranty with it. Let's keep it aside. So let's take the box. Put it back here. Take this pamphlet. Okay. Now. So guys, now I read the manual and figured out some pros and cons. Let's go with the pros first of all. The case over here, the charging carrying case, it has 30 hours of playback time, 5 hours on the bud and 25 hours in the case. Now, how do we rectify how much time of battery is available in here? First of all, there's some lighting given over here, which is really good. Now, if the case is turned blue, means the LED light over here turns blue, total blue. That means it's from 75% to 100%. If it's turning purple or pinkish, that means it's from 35% to 79%. And if it's turning red, blinking red, it means it's running low on battery from 0% to 35%. Now, there's only provided a cable over here. You require a wall adapter which 5 volts and 2 amperes. That's all good. Now, it has Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity with a 10 meters radius, and it also said it's IP waterproof. Coming to the cost and the base, it sounds really good. Whether TWS BFF earbuds Fingers I reviewed last time, which comes in 1K in the market, it does not sound like it. It has a good base and a better looks. Now, coming to the cons over here. First of all, let's take the case and take out one of the bud. The sensor on it is very sensitive. It has said over here on the box IPX7 water and sweat resistant. The sensor used over here is so sensitive, like if you touch it just for a second over here, it will start blinking. It is said water resistant, and if this product is used in the rain and a water droplet hits on it, I am damn sure that it will blink. In the phones we have something called as haptic, where it's not a button, it's just a touch. Where over here there's no kind of haptics, it's just a small touch which is really sensitive. There's something called as next track, previous track, but no volume up button. For owning it 3 seconds, for closing it 5 seconds, for using your voice OS 2 seconds, and for rejecting your calls 1 second. So guys, if this video is interesting, let me know. Give it a thumbs up. If any questions, write in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to help you all out. So take care, see ya, thank you.